What is the old commandment? What is written in Luke 18:18 to 20, the new commandment is found in Exodus 20:12 to 16, the old commandment. Nagsunod ba muna ko? Are you following with me, mga kaigsunan? Nagasunod ba muna ko, mga kaigsunan? So, ang new commandment nga gihisgutan sa Luke 18 to 20, mabasa o makita na to sa Exodus 20, 12 ngadto sa 16, mao ang old commandment, mga kaigsunan. Ang old commandment, mga kaigsunan, is found in Exodus 20:1 to 70, no other than the 10 commandments of the Lord thy God. This is the truth that God's people or His church is a commandment-keeping church. No? Unsa, mga higalag, mga kaigsunan. Unsa daining karaan nga sugo, mga kaigsunan? Nahibalo na ta, mga kaigsunan.